tayong video. Nagbe-video pa naman ako eh. Kakanta ako para sa aking kaibigan. Ito nga pala yung bahay ng kapatid ko. Ayan. Bahay ng kapatid ko yan. Yan. Pinapakita ko lang.
Balawad niya, kaya naman.
And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad to get the chance to say that's what friends are for. Para sa special friend ko. Hi kuya, kumusta? Yung pogi kong kuya dyan. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tsaka sa mga kaya kamag-anak ko sa Kabanggan, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. I love you all! Ingat kayo palagi! I'm here lang. Kakatahan ko kayong lahat. It's raining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for talaga tayo. Palagiwanan. For my special friend. You open me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you, oh, and then for the times when we're apart. Will you close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, dito ako sa bahay ng aking kapatid. Dalawa lang kami dito. Kaya, dalawa lang talaga. Magkasama kami dito sa bahay niya. Ito yung bahay niya, ito yung balkon niya. Ito yung ano niya, yan, yung salas niya. Ito yung ano niya, yan, salas niya. Kusina niya, may kwarto rin siya sa, meron din kwarto ka kusina. Meron din banyo, syempre. Friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Sa mga anak ko dyan, hindi na anak ang turing ko sa inyo, mga kaibigan. Hindi na mga anak, kaibigan na lang tayo ngayon ha, hindi na mga anak. That's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Bye! Dali, titignan natin kung